Welcome back to the channel, guys. Henry here with another value-packed video. Guys, this is insane what I'm experiencing right now with System.io website and Google ranking. This is an update of the video I did before where I showed you how I'm going to be ranking on the first page of Google. And we did this experiment, I think about 2 weeks ago, and I'm here with an update. It's insane, guys. This is insane. I didn't believe it to happen this way, but it's happening in a way that is actually shocking for me to see. Now, let me show you something very, very important. Oh, for some of you who are new to the platform, System.io is an all-in-one marketing tool for your business. You want to start an online business, or you're already running an online business and you want to take it to the next level. This is the tool. Link to go and sign up for this tool for free and start building your website, your manage your affiliate accounts and all that in the link below. Now, this platform has one particular issue, is that people have not been able to be using it properly when it comes to organic ranking. So a lot of people have issues of saying, you know what, I cannot get to rank very well with this particular website. As you can see, I'm getting massive impression with this particular System.io website. And let me show you some stats here and some things that I've been doing. Last time in this particular channel, we worked on a particular video where I show you live on how you can optimize your page. And I even went ahead to create some posts and I showed you guys, and I'm going to be tracking it. Come and see the result. After when we did that, we had some posts that went out. That was 3 weeks ago, and the result is mind-blowing. Look at, I'm currently on the first page of Google. Not only that, but I'm surpassing some of the guys that I met on the platform already on some of the keywords that I am targeting. You can see on this particular keyword here that I'm targeting best food delivery service in Cotonou. You can see what I'm having. Look at, this is number 1, TripAdvisor. It's a very big website. Number 2 on the search is Chowdeck. Number 3 is my website. You see, let me show you another one. This is a System.io website. This is not a WordPress website. Another one is TEF Canada Scoring Guide 2025. When I did this article and we posted it last time, we were not even showing up anywhere around here. But Google was able to index our post that we did with System.io. Not only with System.io, but with ChatGPT. I will show you how I did this shortly. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4. We are ranked 5. We are ranking number 6 on this particular keyword. And this keyword is highly competitive. Like, this is highly competitive. If you see some of the websites, these are big, massive websites. But we've been able to surpass a lot of the website that we met before now. We are even ranking above the official Canada website that gives this information. We are ranking above this particular website here, Cochiva, a very big, massive website about this topic. Why? Because of something we did, and I'm going to be showing you what we did that makes us to be able to write this type of article using AI and also making sure that it's ranking. Within the next 3 months, I don't have any doubt at all that I'll be ranking number 1 or number 2 on this keyword, and I will show you on this channel how we are going to achieve that as well. Now, another case study is this particular one here, Nigerian food restaurant in Cotonou. See what is happening. We have number 1 here, number 2, number 3. The good news is that we are already on the first page of Google. Literally, this was written about 2 weeks ago or 3 weeks. We are literally on the first page, just behind these guys here. These guys are the top. This TripAdvisor are like the biggest travel company, but I'm going head to head with them. I'm confident I will be able to outrank them on this keyword. You can see this is very good for us. Now, what else do we have here? Now, not only are we ranking on the keyword, we are also ranking on other keywords like secondary keywords, right? Even something that we are not targeting. Keywords that we are not targeting, I noticed that we are ranking on those keywords. Here we are targeting TEF Canada Scoring Guide. But see here, we have TEF Exam Score Cotonou. We are still ranking on first page. So by the time I have another article that will focus on Cotonou, we should be ranking anything around 1st, 2nd, 3rd. And this is what we have achieved so far. You can see on my Google Analytics, see something here. I've been getting massive. Look at the click-through rate is even going up compared to the impression. This is very good for us. Now let me go to the drawing board. Let me show you some of the things that you can do right now. Now, the first thing that you need to do when you are using System.io to write your articles, you have to pay attention to the system IO settings. Alright guys, so look at it. You need 3 steps for you to be able to rank on Google using system IO. The first thing you want to do is to pay attention to your settings. Now system IO, they've got a crazy settings when it comes to writing articles. Some of these settings will even say that Google should not crawl your website, and that settings can get your website grounded such that even when you write an article, Google is not able to crawl that particular website. So you have to pay attention with that. That is one thing that you must do to be able to make sure that you are not hiding and your articles are being seen on the internet. Second thing is your content structure, right? When it comes to content structure, people just go about and they write articles. You have to pay attention to some of the things you put inside of your article. Like you need to have table of content when you're writing your articles. Before even you start going into the content, you have to have table of content that shows what your article is about. Then inside of each and every part of your article, you need to have certain structure. The structure I'm talking about, you must have something like pictures, you must have headlines where you have header 1, header 2, header 3, and you must have various paragraphs with different variations of these headers, right? So you can have your main article to be header 1, which is H1. You can have other paragraph with H2. This is very important for the structure. Then you also need image, right? This image will be able to help you make sure that you have the right structure to rank on Google. Then another thing you have to pay attention to is your content quality. When I'm talking about content quality, I'm talking about 2 things. The first thing here is your prompt, because remember, we are using AI to write these articles so that we don't kill ourselves trying to write article that Google will rank number 1. So we are using AI, and when you're using AI, you need a very good prompt that will be able to write the best quality of articles for you. After that, not just about writing with AI, but now make sure that your content is equally highly valuable. It is the value and the prompt that you use that equates to high content quality. And that is what I did in this website that is making them to literally rank right now. And I'm telling you, within the next 3 months, I'm going to be having articles that are going to be ranking number 1, number 2, number 3 on different keywords. That simply means that I will never regret switching from WordPress to System IO when it comes to my blog. The truth is, you will not be able to rank on Google just by looking at these 3 steps that I outlined here: the structure, the quality, and all that. You need to actually watch step-by-step video that I did concerning it, and I walk you through everything that you need to do so that you can get these 3 stuff done. So click here, go and watch it now so that you can start ranking your articles on Google. Thank you very much for watching this update, because I promise that I'm going to be updating you guys on how it goes. See you in the next one, and start making money online.